Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Doro 8100 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down again to the very bottom to find build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system, and here tap on developer options. Now all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates and tap on the switcher to turn it on. So from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, so you do not have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to apply the updates. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.